Professor Stratigos, the first virtual-only EADV Congress is about to start. What are particular highlights that you are looking forward to?
Well, this year's virtual Congress of the EADV will be a spectacular learning experience. It will offer participants an opportunity to explore the latest and most cutting-edge developments in the science and patient care of dermatology venereology, and all this within an immersive virtual framework. So the scientific program includes 170 sessions covering all fields of dermatovenerology and presented by nearly 600 speakers, all experts in their fields. Personally, I look forward to the plenary lectures this year, which are featuring several prominent speakers presenting on anywhere from skin microbiome to emotional intelligence. So I think that will be very interesting. I also highly recommend the spotlight sessions, which are great overview sessions, and the more interactive controversies. And I wouldn't miss the late breaking news sessions where all the new advances in clinical research will be presented.
The late breakers will most certainly contain some hot topics. Which ones should our viewers be looking out for?
Well, there's several hot topics that will be presented, and this will occur not only on the late breaking news. COVID-19 and its impact on dermatology and how the pandemic affects practitioners and patients, something we're learning about every day, will certainly be one of the main topics of the Congress. Several sessions are also focusing on the treatment advances in psoriasis, in atopic dermatitis, and other inflammatory skin conditions. And these treatments are promising to fill patients' unmet needs. Another hot topic is artificial intelligence and satellite power technology, and how this specific technology can impact patient care, how it can improve patients' compliance at the same time. And finally, I would select also the recent advances in dermato-oncology with the use of immunotherapy and targeted treatments that have revolutionized the treatment and the management of melanoma and non-melanoma skin cancer.
You've just mentioned COVID-19 as a hot topic. Since this has been a very challenging year for everyone, as the president-elect, what measures did the Academy take to assist their members during 2020?
Yeah, this has been undoubtedly a very challenging year with enormous emotional, psychological, and physical strain to all of us, particularly healthcare providers. So the EADV created a resource center at the very beginning of the pandemic on the EADV website with valuable information and recommendations for COVID-19 relevant to dermatology. This resource center covered many issues, for example, systemic therapy during COVID-19, protection of the personnel, instructions on practice of dermatological care, and of course, teledermatology. In addition, our journal, the Journal of the European Academy of Dermatovenerology, saw an exponential rise in articles that were related to COVID-19, and all accepted articles with valuable information for practitioners was easily and freely accessed on the EADV website resource. And finally, we offered a wide range of webinars, including webinars related to COVID-19 and its impact on dermatology, as well as several online courses that were initially scheduled to occur as physical meetings. They were transformed into online courses, and that was in an effort to continue as uninterruptedly as possible the training of residents and specialists.
Well, this sounds like it's definitely worth being a member of the Academy with all this information that you provided this year. Last but not least, what is your personal outlook for 2020 in respect to new developments in and challenges to the field of dermatology and venerology?
Yes, thank you for this question. Well, the major challenge for 2021 will obviously be the COVID-19 pandemic and the difficulties and the hurdles that are associated with this unprecedented health crisis. Our Academy's major priority is to remain what we have always been, a community of dermatologists and venerologists with an ongoing exchange of knowledge, expertise for the benefit of our patients. So we will continue to support our members and colleagues so that they can deliver the best possible care to our patients in these very difficult times. At the same time, as the leading educational provider of dermatovenerology in Europe, we will provide a strong program of webinars, of online tools, and e-learning opportunities to help our members optimize patient care, but also deliver advances of clinical research in many different frontiers, such as inflammatory diseases, skin cancer, and hair diseases. So 2021 will be a difficult year, but we remain optimistic, we remain strong, and we will certainly meet our long-term objectives as a society that has served the dermatology community for over 30 years.
Professor Stratigos, thank you very much for your time. This was very interesting to hear about the highlights and all that the Academy has been doing and will be doing next year. We wish you a very successful Congress and take care. Thank you very much.
Thank you and enjoy the Congress. It's a pleasure speaking to you.
Pleasure. Bye-bye.
Bye.